So, can I have a hot shower?
We are in remote Pearl Island. It's been a few days since we've had any kind of bathing necessities, right? So we're a little on the ripe side. In fact, I think every bug from about 3 miles away knows where we are. So I'm gonna make a makeshift shower. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So right now I'm preheating some water.
I think I smell pretty good.
Whatever you want to believe. We have a portable solar shower unit. So what you do is you fill it up with water, has a spout on it, we'll show it to you, and you can take a shower in a remote. What it essentially should do is that you should put the water in there long enough, up to 10 hours, so that the water will warm. Instead, it's a little cooler here today, so we're cheating just a little. We're preheating some water on the fire, and I'm gonna load it into the solar unit, even though we do have some water in it already.
So, can I have a hot shower?
You're gonna have my lukewarm shower. No hot shower, no adjustable.
Is there a radio in there? Can I play the radio while I have the shower on?
No.
Is there a massager in the shower?
This is probably the most appropriate time to be singing in the shower, because no matter what your voice is, no one's going to hear you. So you may want to position this, if you have other campers, maybe not right in mid-camp, unless the other campers want to see your biscuits. Okay? Okay.
Now what?
We're going to grab the water off the fire right now. I'm going to walk it over there. Hi ho, it's off to the shower we go. It's a little windy today, so you may not want to take your usual 10 or 15 minute showers. This might be closer to 10 or 15 seconds. So here is our solar bag. You can see in the top here, our spout and our nozzle. What we're going to do is we're going to add some preheated water. So if you just remove this nozzle.
I think this is an American Camper brand.
Yeah, you wanted it to be the size where you can hang. And what I mean by that is that this one right here is probably, I'm going to guess, close to 5 gallons. So 5 gallons at 8 pounds a gallon is going to be about 40 pounds. So you just got to be able to hang it.
Before we get to that part, do you want to show everyone what you've done at the top for the tree?
So what I did is I just kind of, with a portable bungee cord here, I looked at what I think would be a fair height. I'm about 6 foot tall, to be able to have gravity used in the pack itself so that the nozzle is at a decent height. Okay, I'm going to give you these gloves.
Okay.
You'll need those because the water's going to be a little warm.
So we found a fun little funnel and found this on the beach. Put it right in this bladder. I'm going to hold on. Got the hot water coming. This is just from our fire.
Yep, just go one-handed. Tip it a little closer to me right here. Okay. As you can see.
Ooh, nice.
And we have some other water in there that was from yesterday that we did not use.
But you don't always have to heat the water on the fire, right? You could just do this. If you let it sit in the sun long enough, the water inside this black bladder will get hot enough, right?
Yep.
So this is just an emergency. Not really emergency, but we just wanted a hot shower now. Because one of us is not smelling so great.
What I wanted is I wanted a hotter shower than what the bag actually produced.
Oh, okay.
So, yep. It's a little breezy out today, so we'll remove our nozzle.
Can definitely say I've never had a shower with a whale view.
Yep. So here is the nozzle right here, if you can see it. Yep. There is the off. There's the on. Mm-hmm. So make sure it's in the off position.
Otherwise, you're going to have a shower earlier than you think.
Exactly.
Yep. All right.
Or less of a shower.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're going to set our pail off to the side. I'm going to just kind of climb up in the tree here a little, and I'll have you hand me the bag.
Whoa. Ooh, it's nice and warm.
Good.
All right, not bad.
Good, because I look forward to taking a shower. Because I need to. A little right. You don't always have to be standing to take a shower in this position. So what I have here is I have a 5-gallon bucket with a top on it, right? And I also want to note too is that you can adjust this hose. So it doesn't have to necessarily be this long. I like it so it's close so I can reach my handle, but at the same time too so I can wash my hair. So all I need next is for housekeeping to bring me a towel and some shampoo. Oh, housekeeping!
Ta-da! Fancy towel. How about some shampoo.
I will need that.
All right. And you have some bath soap.
Thank you.
You're
I
welcome.
will need that. Could you please hang my towel on the branch, please?
I can. Would you like me to shut the door?
If you would, please. Yeah, and yes, housekeeping, I would like a little privacy, please. Thank you.